Safety production is the foundation for achieving economic efficiency and sustainable development. Most workplace accidents are caused by unexpected energization or startup of uncontrolled release of energy while manufacturing, installation, or maintenance. So implementing a complete lockout-tagout program to avoid accidents is very critical. OSHA standard issued by the U.S. Occupational Safety and Health Administration is well known as the most representative and authoritative occupational safety standard and is widely acknowledged and respected for its rich contents of safety and healthy culture, strict safety management, and scientific safety system. With increasing demand on the workplace safety globally, hardware security is also very important. Hence, Lockey emerged at the right moment. Lockey has a first-class management team and a series of independent intellectual property rights. With ISO 9001, OSAS 18001, and SGS certificate, providing safety solutions on machinery, food, construction, logistics, chemical, energy, and all other industries. The product range covers safety padlock, valve lockout, cable lockout, lockout tags, lockout hasp, management lockout station, and so on. With great market shares and recognition internationally and domestically, Lockey insists on the philosophy that each hazardous energy source must be locked out for the safety purpose, safeguarding each worker's life all over the world with the best qualified product is Lockey's unswerving pursuit. Lockout is a choice you make. Safety is the destination Lockey achieve.